it's a good quality paint. Very nice. I don't have a primer. I supposed to have a primer, but I just forget that I would need primer when I don't have a paint under. But that's okay. It's an old table. I would say 3 years even. That's why I love wood, because wood you can give the second life of your table. Look at this color. Oh, that's gonna be amazing. Colorful world. Healing place, that's for sure. I'm so happy that I can have this project, and that gives me so much healing between sessions that I can... Oh, this is Delilah. Delilah, what do you see? Girl, what do you see? Delilah. Hey. Hi. Hi. There is something going on in her head. Okay, Delilah, take it easy. Look, look. She's like searching for safety. This is my girl. Delilah. We are good. Yes, that's gonna be amazing, guys. And look at this, how beautiful it's just here. That's amazing. And painting in this place is just, you know, with the horses, with the nature.